So we got a lot of work today, don't we? But look, our tire's flat.
Yeah.
So we gotta air it out before we get to work, right? Because we don't want to break anything. So we gotta go get an air compressor.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Think you can help me?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow. Whoa. Can you ride your trailer? And then I'll drive? Look! Look! What do we do? You wanna get... Wait, what? Bucket of water?
Yeah.
Hurry! All right, let's dump it. You ready? Go! Stop on it, stop it, get it out. Woo! That was a close one. Good job, high five. Here, pull your tractor up, let's pick it up. All right, let's pick this mess up. You want a hard hat for your trip?
Yeah.
All right, let's go throw it away. Come on.
Make sure the hay doesn't fall.
You got it. Hey, good job, you cleaned it up.
Yeah.
You wanna go air up our tractor tire now?
Yeah.
So we can get back to work? All right, let's go. I'll meet you over there. All right, let's air it up. Let's air it up. So the tire's aired up,
Yeah.
the fire was put out,
Yeah.
and we're ready to get back to work.
And squat.
So make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, watch more of our videos. Bye!